What's going on, everybody? I would just like to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving before we get into this video. Obviously this video was filmed a few days ago, but yeah, I just want to, got the upload schedule got a little bit behind, so I want to say happy Thanksgiving, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. So we're not going to be posting too much more, just get this video out there, and yeah, we'll see you probably at the end of next weekend, or the end of this weekend, or the beginning of next week. That's what I meant to say. So hope you guys enjoy the video. We'll see you guys later. What are you doing? What's going on, YouTube? Good morning today. Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. We're back at Eric's. I know we gotta do some work in the house, but today I'm gonna learn how to TIG weld. We got I think it's a 31 Model A, I wanna say, something like that. Oh, look at all the dogs. Hi, Cliff. Oh, yes. Oh, God. The LBZ we're gonna tear down. Duramax. Oh, yes, yes. But today, I'm gonna be working on this exhaust here. Ain't that right? Yes, sir. Okay. Yeah, with my hand.
You want to practice some pieces right here?
Yeah, sure. Alrighty, guys, so this is about my second practice run. Not too shabby. Definitely not an expert, but this is Eric's. That's mine. Kind of fucked up at the end a little bit, but it's all good. Got a little hot, but we're getting there.
Don't worry, guys, I suck too.
We're learning, right?
Yeah.
Professionals. But we're gonna keep going. I just wanted to practice and learn. We're gonna weld up this exhaust here, and then we gotta go do some work around the house. But pretty much I've always wanted to learn how to TIG weld, and I learned stick, as you guys saw, building my suspension, and MIG, and they're just not as clean, not as perfect, and yeah, I'd really just want to practice this and learn, so we're going to keep going, and hopefully one day I'll be a profesh. Alrighty, guys, so that's going to do it for the TIG welding today. I'll show you what we did. We're going to finish that one out later date. We got some shit to do, but pretty much I got this one all done up. Not too shabby for the first go around. Definitely not an expert, but practice makes perfect, right? Alrighty, guys, so as I said, that wraps up pretty much TIG welding for today. We got some stuff to do. We actually have a gnarly storm coming through. It's supposed to rain for like 3 days, and yeah, we're gonna go finish some of the drains on the driveway and hopefully get it all taken care of. That way it doesn't flood or anything, because we just got to finish some drains. But yeah, we're gonna get to work. So a little bit of something different, learning how to TIG weld, which will just help the shop in the long run. So I'm excited, but just perfecting skills, you know, at this point. Don't forget, for you working men, you need a Duramax diesel coffee mug. Alright, shameless merch plug. Putting in another order of them, so we'll have some more soon. And a website coming soon too. There'll be a website sooner or later. Get to work. out on the hill, boys.
I'm building the dam, guys. This is called redneck damming.
Freaking war zone out here, buddy. Got all the tools on the back. We're about to yard sale it too. But damn, look at that truck. We got a lot of goodies coming soon for this too. We're actually gonna do something with it. Maybe. We'll see. Oh, coyote. Oh, roo, roo. What in the world? Go see coyote though. Hi, coyote. What? Oh yeah? Oh, woo, woo. Oh, woo, 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 woo. I'm not really so sure what this guy is doing. We're supposed to be digging holes. He's like plowing stuff with the excavator. Alrighty guys, got some drains dug, some stuff stained, and it's gonna be a wrap for today. I got to drive down to San Diego, so it's quite a drive. So we're gonna go ahead and get Coyote loaded up in the truck and get on our way here. Ain't that right? Say bye-bye. Speak. Woo. Speak. Jackson, speak. Come on. Alright guys, I'm heading out. Got errands to run. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you see that we're learning some new stuff here. That way we can perfect everything for the future. My truck is disgusting.
Max Diesel.
Alright guys, we'll catch you later. I'm out.